Ever wondered how the share market works? It's a question that can boggle the minds of many, but don't worry. We're here to unravel the mystery that is the share market. Imagine a bustling marketplace filled with buyers and sellers, but instead of fruits and vegetables, they're trading shares, pieces of ownership in a company. That, in essence, is what we call the share market. In this marketplace, companies sell shares to raise money. They use this money to grow, innovate, and expand their business. Buyers, on the other hand, purchase these shares with the hope that the company will prosper and the value of their shares will increase over time. Now you might be thinking, how does one determine the value of a share? This is where the concept of supply and demand comes into play. If a company is doing well, more people want to buy its shares, and less people want to sell. This increased demand and reduced supply drive up the price of the shares. Conversely, if a company isn't doing so well, fewer people want to buy its shares and more people want to sell, driving the price down. A critical term you should familiarize yourself with is market capitalization. It refers to the total value of all a company's shares of stock. You calculate it by multiplying the company's share price by the total number of its outstanding shares. It gives investors a snapshot of a company's size and helps them make informed investment decisions. There's a catch, though. The share market is not a guaranteed money-making machine. It's susceptible to fluctuations and volatility. One day you might see your shares soaring high, and the next day they might plummet. This risk factor is something every investor should consider. But don't let that deter you. There's a silver lining to this cloud. Historically, even though the share market it has tended to rise in value. That's why many see it as a good long-term investment. To summarize, the share market is a platform where shares of publicly traded companies are bought and sold. The value of these shares is determined by supply and demand. Market capitalization provides a snapshot of a company's size and aids in investment decisions. While the share market does pose risks, it also offers potential for substantial long-term gains. Remember, the key to navigating the share market successfully is knowledge. The more you understand about how it works, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment decisions. So keep learning, keep exploring, and who knows, you might just become the next big thing in the world of investing.